Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Condor Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Contact Us button. So you can find different categories with different problems that might occur. But if you want to directly write to the team of the app, then you can contact them by phone. As you can see, there's a 24-hour support available in English and German. You can also contact them via WhatsApp between Monday and Friday, and you can also write an email to them. So just choose the option that is most suitable. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.